God bless you. Welcome back to my channel. All right. So today I want to show you a very nice 736 chord progressions. So I'm using the guys taught us a lot of 736. I mean, yeah. So this is 736, but in between we have a diminished chord, we have a drop two. So those are the hashtags for this video: drop twos, diminish. I mean, those are things we look for. You're looking for that? Click this video and be watching it. All right. So we're gonna use this song. I'll be in the key of F sharp. That's the key of most of my African brothers. So I'm in your key today. Right. I'm an all keys fan and professionally all keys. Alright, so we're gonna do something like this. For you are great. Normally I would do something like this. For you are great. I might do something. You do miracle so great. There is no one else. Right, like it. Alright, so I might do something like that. I've taught you stuff like this before. You are great. I've done something like this before. You do miracle so great. Then there is no one else like you. There is no one like simple stuff. But then today I want to teach you something like this. So we do something like this. You do miracle. Then the second part. So right. There is no one else like you. Right. So let me show you that very quickly. Right, so let me know the country you're watching from. So it goes like this: your 5 to your 6, your 5 to your 6. That's for the first chord. Then we are playing a diminished 7 chord here: A, C, E flat, and G flat. But you are excluding the E flat because you're already doing that on the left. That's why drop 2 is involved in this video. Then the next one is your 3 to your flat 5, and then you do your 1 diminished chord, diminished 7 chord. Why I'm calling that guy so that you can translate to other keys. Though I did this video in other keys, you can check the channel. I already did that. So if you need this video in F or C, it's already in the channel. Just ask for the link if you can't find it. But you should see them because I post them same time. So we have a 3 to your flat 5. So we have a F sharp, A, and E flat. That's the first one. Now the second move is this, right. There's a common diminished move people do now. What's that move again? Right. So you hear that a lot from most of these drop 2 players and but let's focus. So we've done this. Then this so we've done this also, your flat 5 to your flat 6. And then A flat diminished 7 chord, drop 2, then so then you have this your minor third to 4, so then to your 6. So that's F diminished 7 chord, then to your 6. So you should write all this down. Yeah, I don't like saying comments like Zufa. I mean, where is the place of pausing to write, pausing to write, pausing to write? You are learning. It's not a movie like I always say, so you should pause and write down. Right. So so that's it. So the 6, the last chord you have a 6, 1, 3, 5 on the left. On the right you have a 7, 1, 3, 5. Right. So if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you can see the flyer on the screen. It's just 7,500 for people in Nigeria, and then $12 for people abroad. You don't have time. I mean, you should get this course because it's not a class. It is a pre-recorded course. I already pre-recorded it, right? And I taught fully over 2 hours in it. So you should get it, and you learn all of these and many more technical things. I mean, you learn a lot of stuff. And in F sharp, F, C, and the likes of keys. So you should get this. I recommend this for everyone. All right, see you in my next video. God bless you.